Securing funding is a crucial step in the development of biogas projects. Access to financial resources enables the adoption of innovative technologies and supports the construction and operation of biogas facilities. With proper funding, projects can scale more rapidly, contributing to sustainable energy production and reducing environmental impact. Understanding the available funding options can help you achieve your energy goals efficiently and sustainably. Biogas projects are increasingly being adopted around the world due to their multifaceted benefits. By converting organic waste into usable energy, these initiatives help reduce landfill usage and lower greenhouse gas emissions. The production of biogas not only provides a renewable source of clean energy, but also supports effective waste management practices. Additionally, biogas projects can stimulate rural development by creating local jobs and offering farmers new income streams. This combination of environmental and economic advantages is driving the global momentum behind biogas technology. Biogas projects can be supported through a variety of funding mechanisms. Grants are often provided by government agencies or environmental organizations to encourage sustainable energy initiatives, and they do not require repayment. Loans, on the other hand, are typically offered by banks or financial institutions, enabling project developers to access capital with the obligation to repay over time, usually with interest. Hybrid financing options combine elements of grants and loans, offering greater flexibility and reducing financial risk. Understanding these funding types is essential for selecting the most suitable approach for a biogas project's specific needs and goals. Several government grant programs are designed to encourage the development of biogas projects. These initiatives often provide financial support for research, infrastructure, and technology adoption in the biogas sector. Eligibility criteria typically focus on factors such as project scale, environmental impact, and alignment with renewable energy goals. Applicants are usually required to submit detailed proposals, including technical plans and projected outcomes. Understanding the specific requirements and timelines for each program is essential to successfully navigating the application process. Several international organizations and NGOs play a vital role in supporting renewable energy and agricultural innovation through grants and funding opportunities. Groups such as the United Nations Development Program, the World Bank, and the Global Environment Facility often provide financial assistance for projects focused on sustainable energy solutions, including biogas initiatives. Additionally, NGOs like the Renewable Energy and Energy Efficiency Partnership and the International Renewable Energy Agency offer specialized programs and resources to promote clean energy adoption in agriculture. These organizations help drive innovation by enabling access to funding, technical expertise, and collaborative networks for project developers and communities worldwide. Biogas entrepreneurs have access to a variety of loan options from different financial institutions. Commercial banks often provide standard business loans, which can be suitable for larger biogas projects with established credit histories. Development banks may offer specialized financing programs aimed at supporting sustainable energy initiatives, often with favorable terms or government-backed guarantees. Microfinance institutions cater to smaller ventures, providing accessible loans to individuals or communities who may not qualify for traditional banking services. Each option is designed to meet the unique needs and scales of biogas ventures, ensuring that funding is available for both large-scale and grassroots projects. When applying for loans to finance a biogas project, lenders typically require a range of documentation to assess your eligibility and the viability of your proposal. Common requirements include a detailed business plan, financial projections, and proof of ownership or lease agreements for the project site. You may also need to provide environmental impact assessments and permits, along with personal or corporate financial statements. Ensuring all documents are accurate and complete can help streamline the application process and improve your chances of securing funding. Crafting a compelling project proposal is essential for attracting funding from grants and loans. Begin by clearly defining your project's objectives and outlining the anticipated outcomes. Provide a detailed budget and timeline, demonstrating your understanding of resource allocation and project management. Highlight the potential impact and sustainability of your initiative, supporting your claims with relevant data or case studies. By presenting a well-structured and persuasive proposal, you significantly improve your chances of securing financial support. Establishing strong partnerships with local authorities, cooperatives, and private investors can significantly enhance the credibility of your funding applications. Begin by identifying stakeholders whose interests align with your project goals and reach out to initiate collaborative discussions. Demonstrating a united approach with these partners not only showcases community support, but also increases access to shared resources and expertise. Clearly outlining the roles and commitments of each partner in your application can further reassure funders of your project's viability. By fostering these relationships, you create a foundation of trust and mutual benefit that strengthens your overall proposal. Several biogas projects have achieved remarkable success by securing funding through innovative strategies. For example, some initiatives partnered with local governments to access grants, while others leveraged public-private collaborations to attract investment. These projects often emphasized clear communication of environmental benefits and financial returns to stakeholders. Key lessons include the importance of thorough feasibility studies, transparent reporting, and building strong community support. By adopting these approaches, biogas ventures have demonstrated how strategic planning can lead to sustainable growth and financial backing. Applying for funding can be a complex process, and several common mistakes can hinder your chances of success. One frequent error is submitting incomplete or inaccurate information, which can lead to automatic rejection. Another pitfall is failing to tailor your application to the specific requirements of the funding organization. To address these challenges, carefully review all guidelines, double-check your documentation, and seek feedback before submission. Being thorough and proactive can significantly improve your likelihood of securing funding. Maintaining compliance with regulations is essential for the ongoing success of your biogas project. Regularly review local and national guidelines to ensure your operations meet all legal requirements. Accurate and timely reporting to funders is equally important, as it demonstrates transparency and accountability. Keep detailed records of project milestones, financial expenditures, and environmental impacts. By staying organized and proactive, you help secure continued support and build trust with stakeholders. SMART-AGRI Hub offers a comprehensive platform where users can access a wealth of resources and connect with a dynamic network of industry professionals. By engaging with the Hub, you can stay informed about the latest funding opportunities and emerging trends in the agricultural sector. Regular updates and curated information ensure that you are always aware of new developments and potential collaborations. Utilizing these tools can help you make strategic decisions and remain competitive in a rapidly evolving industry. Securing grants and loans for your biogas project involves careful planning, thorough research, and clear documentation. Begin by identifying suitable funding sources and preparing a detailed project proposal that highlights the benefits and sustainability of your initiative. Ensure you meet all eligibility requirements and submit your application with supporting evidence. Staying organized and proactive throughout the process increases your chances of success. For ongoing guidance and expert insights, SMART-AGRI Hub offers valuable resources to help you achieve your goals.